Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. I am announcing a new collaboration that I'm going to be participating in this year. Now, this collaboration is hosted by Deb Howe, who's for Deb's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. And it is, if you couldn't tell by the title, hashtag Smash That Small Paper Pad 2020. And that's exactly what we're doing. You see this box right here? I thought I would just show you this. This thing is filled all by 6x6 paper pads. I may have a 4x6 paper pad in here, or maybe in one. I don't know what size this one is, but you know, it's these that were from the Dollar Tree. But I have tons of paper pads, so I was so excited about this collab. So Deb, thank you for doing this. Now, the way this collaboration is going to work is that we will be posting once a month all the special projects and things that we do with our small paper pads. And they will all be 6x6 or 8x8 or even 8.5 by 11, but I'm going to concentrate on 6x6. We will not be using any 12x12 papers because it's Smash That Small Paper Pad. There's a lot of talented crafters that are going to be participating in this collaboration. And we will be posting each month on the 25th, except for December, which will be the 26th. So let me give you a rundown of who all is going to be participating. And I'm excited because I've got to see some new crafters that I haven't personally watched their videos before. So, of course, Deb, who is hosting, and myself, will be Mariposa, Crafts-I Heart, Scrap for Your Life, Paige, who is Stamp Girl, Metal Scrappin' Chick, Cool Cakes and Crafts by Amelia, Brandy, who's Left-Handed Crafter, Diane, who is Die's Crafty Corner, Sue and Little Sue, Crafty's Beginnings, Bourbon Creek Crafts, Creations by Kimber, Julia McNeil Crafts, Raru Crafts, Little Crafty Nook, who will be joining us in February, Paper Play with Julie K, Marvelous Crafty Pink Butterfly, Crafting and Relaxing, and then we have one member of the collaboration, Lene Bent, who is going to be posting on Instagram. So please keep an eye out for the 25th of each and every month for the hashtag Smash That Small Paper Pad 2020. And I hope that you will join each and every one of us. And I, of course, will be listing all these wonderful people down below in the description box. So come join us for Smash That Small Paper Pad and see what we do with all our small paper pads. And we're going to see how many paper pads I go through this year. So thank you so much for tuning in this morning. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.